Hello, this is Bear from Bear Wave. How's it going? Here's a new video on DENT USDT. So today we're just gonna analyze DENT as always using the Elliott Wave Theory, and we're gonna see what could be happening and what we could expect next in the near term future. So let's start, and as you can see already, we have the same count that we had, the overall count. This is a daily chart that we have had the days before in the past, and the count hasn't changed yet. However, there are some signs that make me think that perhaps we should also need to consider more of a bearish count, and we're gonna see that as well in the video. So stay tuned if you don't want to miss that out. So basically, once again, same count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC. This move up that started in July was wave 1, and then the entire move from August could possibly be wave 2. So let's start with the 4-hour chart, and here, as you can see, basically this bullish view, what is telling me? It's telling that we've had down in A, up in B, and down for wave C, for high degree wave A, and then some kind of triangle into wave B, and 5 waves down into wave C. Now, what is interesting is, let's zoom in again. So if this is wave C of 2, that would mean that this is bullish. Now, the only way I can see that bullish is wave 1 here, and perhaps wave 2 here, and then for the upside of some degree, perhaps 1 degree lower could do as well. But what is interesting though, and I think it needs to be said, is that if we remove all of this, so basically what you can see also is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 with no overlapping. This would be a triangle in wave 4. Here's wave 1 and 5. So this could be A, B, C for perhaps wave A, down again for B, up for C, and then we go back down. So basically we'll be in wave 1 and 2 of a higher degree within wave C. So now let me delete all this, and if I take you back to daily, what I'm trying to say is, what we could be seeing is wave 2 needs to be moved. This was wave A, this was wave B, and now we're making wave C. So we just have wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's also possible, and again, it needs to be mentioned because in this case, price will go much lower. What do we know? Well, the interesting thing is, let me take this back. The interesting thing is, even if we are let's say bearish view, let's call it that way, bearish alternate, still we should still see some kind of pullback. And if we bring our fib tool, this of course would be the area where we could get the most resistance. But I guess time will give us an answer eventually, as always. So for the time being, it's safe to say that it's better to wait unless we caught the real low, which the green line is where actually I bought myself. So what I'm going to do personally is I'm going to wait and see how this is going to develop, so perhaps I can see and just try to distinguish whether this is bullish or bearish. Either way, I still think we are going to go a bit higher, even if it's going to be a correction only, and then perhaps we could see downside. So basically that's about it for me. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. Remember that if you want to have more of this, and not only this but all other cryptos and indices, you can check out VVS, the link is in the description. I personally teach there and try to teach you how to trade Elliott Wave, especially the way I trade. So don't forget to check that out. Please leave a like if you enjoyed the video, it would be very much appreciated, and don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on the next update. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.